am Darshini from 9th class from Little Flower English Medium School, MLNU. Let us discuss about this new topic of simple speaking skills. I will explain start with WH positive and start with WH negative. We use the formula for start with WH positive. WH plus did plus IB with the he she it plus V1 plus object plus question mark. For example, why did I wear mask? Why did we wear mask? Why did you wear mask? Why did they wear mask? Why did he wear mask? Why did she wear mask? Why did Sindhu wear mask? Why did I come to office? Why did we come to office? Why did you come to office? Why did they come to office? Why did he come to office? Why did she come to office? Why did Sindhu come to office? Why did I sing a song? Why did we sing a song? Why did you sing a song? Why did they sing a song? Why did he sing a song? Why did she sing a song? Why did Sindhu sing a song? Why did I stop the bus? Why did we stop the bus? Why did you stop the bus? Why did they stop the bus? Why did he stop the bus? Why did she stop the bus? Why did Sindhu stop the bus? Why did I become a doctor? Why did we become a doctor? Why did you become a doctor? Why did they become a doctor? Why did he become a doctor? Why did she become a doctor? Why did Sindhu become a doctor? Why did I hand clock to the wall? Why did we hand clock to the wall? Why did you hand clock to the wall? Why did they hand clock to the wall? Why did he hand clock to the wall? Why did she hand clock to the wall? Why did Sindhu hand clock to the wall? Why did I kill mosquitoes? Why did we kill mosquitoes? Why did you kill mosquitoes? Why did they kill mosquitoes? Why did he kill mosquitoes? Why did she kill mosquitoes? Why did Sindhu kill mosquitoes? Why did I send a message? Why did we send a message? Why did you send a message? Why did they send a message? Why did he send a message? Why did she send a message? Why did Sindhu send a message? Why did I handle it? Why did we handle it? Why did you handle it? Why did they handle it? Why did he handle it? Why did she handle it? Why did Sindhu handle it? Why did I kick the ball? Why did we kick the ball? Why did you kick the ball? Why did they kick the ball? Why did he kick the ball? Why did she kick the ball? Why did Sindhu kick the ball? In WH negative, we use the formula WH plus didn't plus IB use the he she plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Why didn't I wear mask? Why didn't we wear mask? Why didn't you wear mask? Why didn't they wear mask? Why didn't he wear mask? Why didn't she wear mask? Why didn't Sindhu wear mask? Why didn't I come to office? Why didn't we come to office? Why didn't you come to office? Why didn't they come to office? Why didn't he come to office? Why didn't she come to office? Why didn't Sindhu come to office? Why didn't I sing a song? Why didn't we sing a song? Why didn't you sing a song? Why did they sing a song? Why didn't he sing a song? Why didn't she sing a song? Why didn't Sindhu sing a song? Why didn't I stop the bus? Why didn't we stop the bus? Why didn't she stop the bus? Why didn't he stop the bus? Why did Sindhu stop the bus? Why didn't I become a doctor? Why didn't we become a doctor? Why didn't you become a doctor? Why didn't they become a doctor? Why didn't he become a doctor? Why didn't she become a doctor? Why did Sindhu become a doctor? Why didn't I hand clock to the wall? Why didn't we hand clock to the wall? Why didn't you hand clock to the wall? Why didn't they hand clock to the wall? Why didn't he hand clock to the wall? Why didn't she hand clock to the wall? Why did Sindhu hand clock to the wall? Why didn't I kill mosquitoes? Why didn't we kill mosquitoes? Why didn't you kill mosquitoes? Why didn't they kill mosquitoes? Why didn't he kill mosquitoes? Why didn't she kill mosquitoes? Why didn't Sindhu kill mosquitoes? Why didn't I send a message? Why didn't we send a message? Why didn't you send a message? Why didn't they send a message? Why didn't he send a message? Why didn't she send a message? Why didn't Sindhu send a message? Why did I handle it? Why didn't we handle it? Why didn't you handle it? Why didn't they handle it? Why didn't he handle it? Why didn't she handle it? Why didn't Sindhu handle it? Why didn't I kick the ball? Why didn't we kick the ball? Why didn't you kick the ball? Why didn't they kick the ball? Why didn't he kick the ball? Why didn't she kick the ball? Why did Sindhu kick the ball? Thank you.